na all kasa no yenya NDC for ete ho ebo omo nsem kire se kese oma ya ade se oma sisi akuafo abusuafo mema obi biara good afternoon na yenyina ya beje di se time na MPP aban free akonya so no omutu koko akuafo mu sika no eko 3100 eye enkane sika no 31 million ema yenya Ato Forson finance minister ekojina simpie ene apaso abra na oye campaign ekoto mfutrogu koko akuafo nani se yeko international market na yatum nti e wosenka MPP aban o man ntimi kura omu tua omu 6000 na 7000 nti omu de omu nya omu mugidie na omu to aba de ma wo ma omu ba omu beto omu sika nim de yakọ 6000 na 7000 e ma koko akuafo de anigye ekodi la so koto aba bum 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 de ma NDC aban ne John Dramani Mahama ene NDC aban ba ye no wo to enwomfoforo wo sa asafoforo ene finance minister a okojina campaign platform so etu futurogu koko akuafo nani ene obaye wo se koko no akuafo sika no MPP de na omutu mu 3100 no omu de ombetimi de aka ho a eye 128 cedis a enu 200 cedis kura enso ene ye he koko international marketer time na MPP aban ho no price na omu de wo ho na ema omu 2 mu 3100 no ya 2 times 2 enti anka ye hwe ni mu senka NDC fo omantimi kura ampo no e was 6000 de omode makoko akuafo because eno ne bosha omode eba wo enso ene ya tu koko world market mu no kura ampo no NDC aban say sisi akuafo a omode omosisika omode betum no omode 128 Ghana cedi pe ena ombetimi dia tum ye sika no kura ampo enduru 200 cedis na ye pese ye busa Ato Forson se ede ne baaye enti ya to koko world market price mu na ono de still a wo sisi akuafo na ne bosha wo sha akuafo no ompese obedi so na all kasa no yenya NDC for ete ho ebo omo nsem kire se kese oma ya ade se oma sisi akuafo Ato Forson ete ho nanimo ye ho ya te se oba wanya wo de pua enya nwanwa se Ato Forson afanyoma akins ka se osahene afanyoma akins ka se enche bia ye behu the true colors of the NDC and indeed ye hu the true colors of the NDC endi afekrampo ena o ma start egbu koko akuafo kwasea because ebosha amoshema a omo no koko price international market na ya 2 times 2 enti adenti na mo di mo bosha so na mo se sisi wo mo eno na ama ene mabunu no ani nje se ombeye kwia no mabunu na nje se ombe go into farming because entimi ma se obi ebe bre ne widi ani akoye koko na NDC aban wo baaye no wo sisi wo mo ene ebe na mabunu no emfa o mani enko galamse because ontimi nkoye enkobia koko na eba ebua wo se aban mo de ma wo mo no mo sa atiso mo sa sisi wo mo ene enya me wanwa se koko akuafo obi aye koko enye nne enso meka se woni pakoro ne ho kire no because enam akwatwa bone ne asisi a NDC aban edisisi wo mo enti Ghana for ye ka kire mo ena mo antie na NDC aban omo de be hye ye ni papa one year krampo mayo 1 year mpo
and these are the things I remember. He says that the things he was saying was about warning us, and then in the other breath he says that we lost the elections in 2022. On another breath, he says that if he was the candidate, we would have won the elections. And I was there. Somebody who is good at mathematics, because I was a science student, I was trying to decipher and delve into the things he was saying. So I just came into questioning myself, say, if we lost elections in 2022 and we chose a flag bearer in 2023, how then was the flag bearer we were going to choose change the fortunes of our party? Again, if Bofana make an make shade or do, Mamma can chi. Metia yera interview no kwesi party. Or say you lose election in 2022, and that's what he was trying to say. Said okay. And ye flag bearer of the party in 2023. Or say a yono in 2023 now. Anka owini. And I asked myself, moderator, Pacho, you missed it free awate. Me pen kwasi for my life. Me pe yana me pen nyansa for my kwem. Me pe GB force on my life from. Ko moderator kura beche. Me pen kwasi for my brabo. Anyways, bye bye. Pe mo memo mo do ma dwene na ye adwuma. And me one am say ayira. Say lose power 2022 dear. And not 2023, regardless of our candidates, we would have lost the elections. Anyways, I'm a tutu and say, okay, maybe I'm not saying my dream. And now, you say, I say, don't get here. Ubeti na contest. Or say, oh, yeah, the mimi womba dia me beating no. Felemo de wa Jimmy o chese e block you no kofa account for aba na uji nkwase asem he Felemo se MPP lusu a me ma me MPP ne dia mo dia mo chese mo dia mo di Jimmy na ye de tete mu na mo dia nyini asia ma from me live na se ma from wa udi mi nyansa kan block you anka asa kofa account for dia ba udi account ne ba 10 time me kan kwase se ma 10 time ko wa Jimmy asia enyansa fo hia na Jimmy for mo ba dem ate enyansa fo ase me kan kwase ase ma chelsea se wa Jimmy a mo sa ko create account bi na sa bra enyansa fo mo te ha no ye o mo tie me no they know what I'm saying no se nyansa na me kan they know kwasia onye oba onim nyansa che me anka wa Jimmy sei abusia me to aso mo fa nche me wate Junior ma Jimmy o ba me say nkofo bi o is it Ghana? Maybe I'm surprised. Me surprised about the way a nipa be adwenete no. I'm not to say my particular about nipa me person me ne worry. Me it was because the rate first no junior ne ma ye ne Jimmy papa ema. But the rate ne ye ma kura try say be catch up with mema. Ama be me be a brain ne kwa no. Mema ni bi Jimmy sa na ye me nwanwa. E ga do be na ye me nwanwa kura. Politics na ye no bebre o manyine je omunyansa ho because omo maame ne papa ofie ko obuntimi worship omo sa politics na ye no hwan mo na e pese o be flag bearers bi be president no enye omo na wo ye o eti wo di omachi a me fa Jimmy ne o tiny sa Jimmy no there's a wo so obi new side every day na wo Jimmy mema wa hu se wa Jimmy because o maame no papa kora no ntwetwa nye wo ma na se unha unfa wo nkwane ono ma bi nto unfa no ma bi nto enye te se de wo yema politicians no and mema ne kwa de minim se nka mo nim sa de we even more if you like somebody and you feel like you believe in the person men are not somebody omonje directly beneficial to something kora they waste their time so much ye man no ye wo yetimi eye se de kra na ye ni na hye bibim etimi hu se my emotional men are not emotional beings it will so would obi achi jibi for na se wa ba na officer je wodi mi de obi achi nti unti nyansa se na make wodi ohu mani ma se ge kokko net wa betwere mkwate asema asia ko create account for bra nti ye na me se tie se bi me papa no e papa se ono ne yi na obetima bi tie se do nketea na eho no kwesi prati e na adwen se o asmate papa no eni rake wo fi a me pese o kai bibi se emra wo ka de obetima ye no kosi practice de bi shame say na me wura Julius Debra onu betimi bi ti na de tie. What it should have told you, Raken, say, no matter how these people are making it seem that they hate your party and they like you, no, when it gets to the critical stage and point, they will still support their NDC. And even interview na ni pakrone ye no, na at the back of Kwesi Pratt no, onim say Drew level bia or the NDC candidate ba betwam. Na adia me di ho yaw. I mean say Raken or a good communicator and say ye nyan to aba ofri party mu na eba se obi to ma for instance yefa ne se me obi a me o MPP bu bia me ne eba internal contest ena obi abusa me NDC4 se NDC4 represent candidate Asomesi or Bentin se ye busa me se sa candidate we metime beat na me ka se me simple answer yes metime beat no. And obviously the reason he stated would have come in. But so oka say MPP for ne de me ba na me beat na. And na me ti me beat na. In fact, o party don kofo no mo gina ni na no. E chese o pese o yi ho free mu a o mo ni na yisan kwase. E chese o pese o chese nipa o party ni mo no. O mo parade se nyame anya wadom no mo ye o madom a o mo so betimi ye buman no Brian Champon Educhum Dr. Baomia o mo maka o kasa asem ne se ye yiwu a e na o party betimi beat NDC a ese edun katia Julius Debra e chesem kofo na ne o mo contest no. In fact wabu ese edun katia kora ne Julius Debra che o mo. Communication is a very serious business so na nyansafo na tie nyansafo ahye enu na make we ache enkofo mo handle you Raken say it was better when they made him keep quiet and they were doing the bidding for him. In fact, he was winning people when he was quiet few weeks back. Now do you know why that is dangerous? You see, MPP no, there were a lot who don't talk her. They do the mafia work. There were a lot who doesn't talk her. They are interest driven and they are agenda driven can cripple you. And do you know why I'm scared? I am scared because any moment in time, no matter who you support, no, it was said uhopi senka wa makra no be for nya will all work and go ahead. My fear is that the toes Iraken have stepped on, and because he has started the interviews again, he's bound to resurrect the wounds those people are having and the hatred they are having for him. He says something again, and I wish so be a or camp be a wish me be ano. So obeya anasa wo ye MPP ni a odi nsem na make an be kwa dwendwem. MMP aho. MMP eto da bi asem ha wo ka eya na ebi ye no kre. Na same way me ma me ne ka kire me. But o body language, o tone, any kwaya be fa so aka no. It is when people will know that this is who you are, and people will not even listen to what you say. Today, my mother has always told me that do not talk at the top of your voice when you are making it. You want to make sense to anybody. Do not make yourself as if say, oh, kasa o person be tewasia, or yet to say that you are on top of the world. And two is that, body language, I would accept at that moment in time, no. And you tone, you'll be very careful. You see? Because Pratt asked my own father, Kenneth Japan, my own beloved, that's honorable. The people that were there, and you had issues with, and you were saying that, and they were all conjuring and manipulating against you, they are still there. And my honorable says that they don't have the power again. Obviously, everybody should know the tone and the body language he will use. And I was there. I was there and I was thinking that no, Papa, you are resurrecting and rekindling the enemies and even about to breed more. Why do I say that? You see, MPP na muhuno and our political party be a muhuno. No single person can make some government more and no more opposition. The party look better. You see, you make more than, the president makes more than 5,000 appointments. The same people, even if you should become a president, you are rubbishing them so much. And more. I wonder if Japan should be president today. I wonder, and I ask, which people is he going to work with and even trust? So everybody should understand what I'm saying, you know. And remember the bigger picture and the question, and I will come back to to decipher in some more kind. Okay? Your party musisia elections na have a 2024 year. Emma ba me are no. Actually say MPP no ankasa nkofo no etimi ma ko position than even external people beto aba mamo. And obi ante me ye pa.